Yeah, hi everyone and welcome in this iBusiness Home video. This is John speaking, and today I want to talk with you guys about the social growth system that iBusiness Home is offering free of charge. So it's a free system that you can join, and yeah, it's a notification system for everyone that has a website. It doesn't matter if you're using WordPress, if it's a HTML website that you have, or other things. It's a easy notification system for increasing growth and social engagement, social proof with your website visitors and from your website visitors. So let's go to this little overview of what this system does and how it can be used. And I'll also go and give you an example on the web page of one of the clients I deal with website for, where this has been set up for as well. So yeah, as I said, this is a free membership. You can join for free. I will never charge anyone for this system. So skyrocket conversions and increased growth. And why can't I not scroll? Okay, that's not a problem. So okay, there we go. So more engagement, growth and leads with the iBusinessHome.com social growth system. So how does it work? Well, it's actually easy. You create a campaign and then you install a pixel on your domain with just one line of code. So just install one line of code on your website and then go create your notifications, customize your notifications however you like it. So choose colors, choose fonts, customize your notification in the way that you like it. And then you're all set up to grow profits and generate more leads, conversions, and growth. It's that easy as is. It is that easy as is. And so it's easy setup and integration on any website. Any website can run our social growth notification system. It doesn't matter if you run on Shopify, WordPress, Zapier, Squarepage. It does not matter. It's an easy installation with only one line of code to add into your current website project. So there are 204 notifications already displayed on our system. This must have been set. iBusinessHome.com is not live yet. We only started the 1st of November. However, you can just sign up for this system already now today by going to the onlinesurvival.club website. Just go there, onlinesurvival.club. You can join in. It will be free and it will always be free of charge. And this is a notification preview. So let's go what kind of preview of notifications that we can get. So we can have information. I can share any information that we have, for example, a flash sale going on right now. Or we can put up a coupon notification on our website which says to people, hey, listen, there is a summer sale going on with a coupon 20% coupon 20 for 35% off your next sale. Or no, I do not want to save money. So that's the coupon code notification. You can also put up a live counter, so how many active visitors are on your website in that particular moment when someone else is visiting. And yeah, somebody can see that there are 25 people visiting your website or 60 people visiting your website. That will have much more impression, that will have much more engagement with new visitors coming on your website as when they see that only 3 people are visiting your website. So you also can collect emails to have people subscribe for your weekly newsletter, so they can just enter their email and sign up. There we got the latest conversions. Someone from country just signed up for the newsletter, for example. We got a conversion counter. This means that you actually could have people tell how many people bought that product in the last X number of hours, minutes, seconds. You can display a video, any video with any link where you then can send off people. So that can be done. We have a social share notification, so people that are visiting your website, if they do like your website, they might be intended to go and share that on their social media platforms. We support social media sharing on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, so your website visitors can share your awesome website on their social media straight away by the click of a button. We got a random review. That's any review that someone leaves for your website, which will be showing up. We got an emoji feedback notifications that just ask people if they do or not do like your website. We got the cookie notification, which is obliged by the EU law. You have to inform people, you have to inform your website visitors about cookies to to be legal with that law. So we got that sorted out for you. It's easy to integrate, and we have a cookie notification if you do register cookies from your website users. So we got a feedback score that's the same as the smiley one, but this is the one with just some numbers on there. Then we have a request collector. My mouse is doing some strange thing. Request collector, so you can have people entering their phone number and ask you to call them back with more information about your product. So that's there. And then we have a countdown collector. The countdown collector, you can invite people to hurry up. For example, if you are having a sale going on, you can put a limit on there and say, hey, this is over. This is going to stop within the next 5 hours from now, for example. So that's the notifications that we offer, that we provide to our free members to include in their website. As I said, there's only one plan, and that's a free plan. And you get no ads. You have ads, you'll have removable branding, and you have custom branding. The account is limited to 100 campaigns. You can start 100 campaigns. That means 100 websites, okay? One campaign equals one website. So this free account, you can use that on 100 different websites. You can make 1,000 notifications. So that means that you can make 10 notifications for each of your websites. And you get 10,000 notification impressions each month. And all our notifications are enabled. So that's our plan, that's our free plan. You can just get started by pressing the Get Started button right now, fill in your best details, your best email, and get started with this free social growth and engagement system today. This was John speaking from iBusinesshome.com, and I hope you liked my video, and see you in the next one.